Hey there, this is Laquita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I have the cutest card to share with you featuring the Hippest Hippos stamp set. So this is a set that you can earn right now during celebration while supplies last. Remember, celebration does end on August the 31st, 2022, but this is a cute set you can earn with a $50 spend in my online store. We're using this one, and then we're also using the coordinating dies, the hippo dies. These can also be earned with a $50 spend, so for $100 you can get both of these for free. And then I'm using the Stylish Shapes dies. These have a really nice dotted stitched edge around them. I love these. These are becoming my new favorite. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. I think I'm going to start first by stamping my little hippo because we are going to color her in with the Stampin' Blends. So I want it to go ahead and have some time to dry. So I'm going to stamp her in Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I am going with the little ballerina hippo. She's so cute. And we'll just put her right in the center. And there we go. And we'll just set that aside for now to dry. And did I say I was using Memento Tuxedo Black? I don't know if I said that, but that's what I used. When you're going to use your Stampin' Blends, you want to use this ink so that the ink doesn't run. So Memento Tuxedo Black for that. Then I've got a piece of Granny Apple Green cardstock, and on here I'm actually going to do some heat embossing. So I'm going to bring in my Versamark ink pad. This is just a wet sticky ink, so it stays wet so that you have time to heat emboss. And I'm stamping the sentiment that says, "You're always on point." I'm just going to put that right in the center. Okay. And then I've got some white embossing powder. I'm just gonna get a scratch piece of paper and pour this over my sentiment. And we do have a, let me get that again. There we go. That's better. We do have a new Embossing Additions toolkit. I have not opened this yet. It would be so handy to pull it out right now for the video, but I haven't opened it and taken a look at it yet. So I will have to do that very soon. Okay, so let's go ahead and put all that back in the pot. And I've got my Stampin' Up! Heat tool. I'm going to set this on number 2 and just heat emboss this white powder. So our hippo should be ready to color. So I'm going to use the light and dark shade of Smoky Slate and then the light and dark shade of Pool Party to do my coloring. And let me just zoom you guys in. I think I have you really close, but okay, so I'm gonna start. I think I want to do the light. When I did the sample, I did the dark first, and that's normally what I like to do, but am I still in the frame? Yeah, but I think I want to do the light first, then the dark. It doesn't really matter, but and I'm not going to get her little tutu because we're going to color that with the Pool Party. I'm no Stampin' Blends expert. I just color. And actually I think I'm gonna switch to, ooh, I went out of the lines. No. I'll switch to the smaller side. Okay. Go around her little eyes. Get in the ear. And then I just realized on my sample I colored her nails gray. I didn't mean to do that. I wanted those to stay white. Okay. Then I'm going to come in with the dark and just shade a few spots. So I think I'm just going to, and there's really no rhyme or reason for why I'm choosing the spots I'm choosing. There's no science behind it. I'm just adding a little dark shade here. I'll do maybe up here. Get the ear, then do a little bit right here, then down the leg, over here on the leg, which I don't even know if that makes sense. Yeah, I guess that'll be all. And then I'm just going to come back again with my light and blend those little areas where I just added that darker shading. Okay, I think that looks cute. And then I'm gonna come in with the dark shade of Pool Party and just do the top of her little tutu in the dark shade. Oh, and do her little ballet flats in the dark shade. Okay. And then with the light, we'll just fill in the rest. Okay, there's our little hippo. I did go out of the lines a little bit, but that's okay. She's still super cute, so she's ready. All right, so I've got the die positioned where I think I need it for my hippo so that we can get her cut out. And then I'm gonna put my sentiment, actually let me flip my plate. I'm gonna put my sentiment and grab the one of the circles, the stylish shapes. I think it was the second smallest. Yep, grab that one. I think that should stay in place without washi. Get my mini machine, slip this in. Oh, I keep that down and run that through. Okay. Oh yeah. She is so cute. I just love her. Okay, so we got that. And then we've got our Heat Emboss sentiment with that really nice polka dot stitching around the edge. So cute. And then I've also got a scrap piece of Pool Party cardstock here. I am going to cut the little umbrella out of that. And then I've got a piece of Flirty Flamingo cardstock that I'm going to cut. I think I did this circle. Yeah, I did that circle. Just run that through. Okay, we are ready to start putting this card together. So for my card base, I've got a piece of Smoky Slate cardstock. This is cut 4 1/4 inches by 11 inches, and I've scored it at 5 1/2 inches to give a vertical folding card. So it just opens like that. Then I've got a piece of Pool Party cardstock. This is cut 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And then I've got this piece of the Hues of Happiness Designer Series paper. This is cut 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches. And I'm just going to add that together with my Stampin' Seal. And I do have all of the measurements for this project over on today's coordinating blog post, which is linked down below in the video description. And I have all of the products down there as well. Okay, get this on the front of our card. Center it up. All right, then we are going to put some dimensionals on our little hippo. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add her on. And I gotta make sure I have her on that tippy toe. Just like that. I think that looks good. Then I'm gonna take her little umbrella and let me put a dimensional on the back. Then I've got my liquid glue. Whoops. And I just want to add, let's see, just to this little hook part, I want to put just a little bit of glue. That should be enough. I'm gonna put that in her hand right there. Press that down. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the dimensional there. Let me make sure I have that straight. You're always on point. Stick it right there. Okay, and then dimensionals on the back of the Flirty Flamingo. And we will put this we'll just put that right there. Okay, I think that's good. Then I'm just gonna finish the card with one of these iridescent pearls. They are so pretty. So hopefully you can see those. Really, really pretty. And you get so many in a package. So I love these. So I'm just gonna add one of the small ones on here. Just get this, and I'm just gonna put it right here. Oops, I wanted it a little bit lower than that. Right there. Alrighty, that finishes up the card. I think she's so cute. You're always on point. Such a cute little card, and you know I made a matching envelope. So I just added some more of that Hues of Happiness Designer Series paper to the flap, and I stamped my little hippo again, and I did color in her tutu and her ballet shoes with my Pool Party Stampin' Blend. So there it is, you guys, a really sweet little card. I hope that you have enjoyed today's tutorial, and don't forget you can purchase any of the products that you saw me use today by visiting my online Stampin' Up! Store. I've got a direct link down below. I've got a full list of the products linked down below, and they're also over on today's coordinating blog post with the measurements. So I would love for you to shop with me. Thank you so much to everyone who already does. I appreciate you, and thanks for joining me, you guys. Stay tuned. I will be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.